Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to create LinkedIn account on laptop. You can create a new linked account via browser or linked app. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open a browser on your laptop. Here I'm using Chrome. Type LinkedIn in the search bar. Visit the LinkedIn website. On the home page, there's an option to create an account. So, just click on it. You can register for LinkedIn using your mobile phone number, email address, Google, or Microsoft account. The easiest way is to use a Google account. So click Google. All Google accounts logged in on your device will be displayed. Select one and confirm. Click Agree and join. Add your location and continue. Add experience here or activate if you are a student. Select whether you are above or under 18 years old. Answer the question whether you are looking for job or not. Add or change your LinkedIn profile photo. Click the plus sign. Upload a photo. Select the photo you want to use as your profile picture. Save changes. Click Continue and just skip all the next steps. You have now successfully created a new LinkedIn account. If you want to change your LinkedIn profile, such as your profile photo or other information, you can do so on your LinkedIn profile page. That's the tutorial on how to create LinkedIn account on laptop. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.